Let's talk about two dental issues that are way more common than you might think, and honestly, go a lot deeper than just your teeth. We're talking about those painful mouth sores and the serious damage that can come from grinding your teeth. We're going to look at how a whole-body, holistic approach can offer some real long-term answers.
So, if you've ever watched your child deal with these mysterious, really painful sores, or maybe you've noticed your own teeth getting super sensitive, maybe even looking a little notched right at the gum line, you are definitely in the right place. Okay, let's jump in and get some clarity on what's really going on.
All right, first things first. Let's tackle a condition that often shows up in young kids and can cause a whole lot of discomfort. Those painful mouth sores. What are they exactly, and what's causing them?
Okay, so the official name is a bit of a mouthful. Herpetic Gingivostomatitis, or HG for short. But what you really need to know is that it's a contagious viral infection. It comes from HSV1, and it's particularly common in kids under 6. So for all you parents out there, this is really good info to have.
So, how can you tell if this is what's happening? Well, the signs are pretty clear. You'll see painful ulcers inside the mouth, the gums get all swollen and red, and they might even bleed a bit. This usually comes along with a fever and just general fatigue. And as you can imagine, it makes it really tough for a little one to eat or drink anything.
And here's a really critical piece of the puzzle. HGA is highly contagious. It spreads easily through direct contact with saliva. So things sharing cups, forks, that kind of thing. That's exactly why getting a proper diagnosis from a professional is so important. It's key to managing it and, of course, stopping the spread.
Okay, now let's switch gears to an issue that tons of adults face. Have you ever looked closely and seen these little notches right where your teeth meet your gums? Let's figure out what's causing that.
These little notches are called gingival abfractions, and what's so interesting is that this isn't caused by cavities or decay. A great way to think about them is like tiny stress fractures in your teeth. They're a sign that your teeth are under some serious mechanical pressure.
And the signs are hard to miss once you know what to look for. You might feel a sudden sensitivity to hot coffee or a cold drink. You might notice your gums seem to be pulling back. And of course, you can actually see those little notches. If any of that sounds familiar, it's a huge red flag that your teeth are under way too much strain.
So where is all this stress coming from? Well, the number one culprit is usually bruxism. That's just the fancy term for grinding and clenching your teeth, something many of us do without even realizing it, especially at night. But it could also be from brushing too aggressively or having a misaligned bite that's putting pressure on all the wrong spots.
Okay, so we've laid out the problems, but now for the really fascinating part, the solution. And it's not just about patching up a symptom. It's about taking a step back and looking at the entire system, your whole body.
And one of the leading experts on this whole-body approach is Dr. Jiyoung Jung. She's a dentist and TEDx speaker right here in Mansfield, Texas, who is incredibly passionate about this deeper connection between what's happening in our mouths and our overall health.
In her fantastic TEDx talk, Dr. Jung said something that really sticks with you. The teeth are a gateway to your well-being. And that quote, it's the very heart of this holistic philosophy. The idea that your oral health isn't separate from the rest of you. It's actually the front door.
So how does this actually work? Well, Dr. Jung has developed a framework she calls the 3 pillars of well-being. First, there's structural balance, which is all about getting your body and your bite in perfect alignment. Second is chemical balance. This looks at what's going on inside you and optimizing your body's internal environment so it can heal. And third, and this one is huge, is emotional balance. This recognizes that profound link between our mental state and our physical health, which, connects directly to things like stress-induced teeth grinding.
This means when we're talking about treating something like teeth grinding, a holistic solution has to go way beyond just sticking a simple night guard in your mouth. The real goal isn't just to shield the teeth, but to actually address the root cause and help the body heal. Let's just compare the two for a second. A traditional night guard, it's passive. It's basically just a helmet for your teeth. But a more advanced solution, like the preventive oral device, or POD, is active. It's actually designed to reduce the muscle tension that's causing all that grinding to begin with.
And here's why that difference is such a game changer. The PO Desire is custom-made and uses patented technology that actually minimizes the muscle activity in your jaw. So it doesn't just protect your teeth, it can help relieve jaw pain, headaches, even TMJ issues. It also helps promote better tongue posture and can even improve your airway while you sleep. See, it's a truly comprehensive solution.
So, when you put it all together, you realize that dealing with these problems isn't just about fixing a tooth or calming a sore. It's really about starting down a path toward total wellness.
What really makes an approach like this stand out is that commitment to being holistic, preventative, and completely centered on you, the patient. It's all about digging deep to find the root cause, using the best advanced tools available, and then creating a plan that is tailor-made for your body and your specific needs.
Now, if you're here in the Mansfield, Texas area and this way of thinking about health really connects with you, here's all the information for Dr. Jung's practice. It's a perfect example of how you can take that first, really important step, not just toward a healthier smile, but toward a healthier you, period.
And really, it all comes down to this one question. It makes you think, doesn't it? If your teeth are truly the gateway to your well-being, what could a healthier, more balanced smile unlock for the rest of your life?